Assalamualaikum beta. Today we are going to do the questions on the poem Mercy written by William Shakespeare. तो हमने कल Mercy उसको स्टडी किया था. आज हम उसके क्वेश्चंस करने जा रहे हैं. पहला क्वेश्चन है, Where does the quality of mercy come from? Who are blessed? कहाँ से आती है mercy? ये quality कहाँ से आती है? Why does the quality of mercy come from? First, in the very first stanza, if you remind the first stanza of the poem Mercy, you'll come to know the quality of the mercy doesn't come from the earth but from the heavens. And who is blessed by it? The quality of mercy comes from heaven. So who is blessed by it? It blesses he who gives mercy and he who receives mercy. And again, the quality of blessed, do you remember the quality of the mercy is double blessed. It blesses he who gives, it blesses he who receives. So यानी कि अगर कोई mercy करता है किसी पे, it blesses him. अगर कोई mercy receive करता है, it blesses him also. How is mercy better than crown of the kings? In the poem, the poet William Shakespeare says that the quality of this mercy is better than it is mightiest in the mightiest. It's better. Mercy is better than the crown of the king because the king is crowned only on earth and to show his mighty power, but mercy takes place in the heart of the kings and comes from the heavens with the mightiest power. So there's a difference between the mercy and the crown, because a king is often crowned on the earth and it shows his temporal power, while the mercy comes from the heavens. It's enthroned in the heart of the kings and it comes from heavens. What does the scepter stand for? How does it affect kings? Scepter, the scepter stands for a royal wand, which symbolizes the royal authority. So scepter stands for royal wand or authority used by kings to show earthly power while punishing culprits. It makes the king proud or dreadful on earth and keeps them away from mercy. Okay? Then we have the fourth question. When does earthly power look like the God's power? When does earthly power look like the God's power? When mercy is enthroned in the hearts of the kings, while punishing the culprits using scepter, then the earthly power looks like God's power. So if a king is enthroned, a king may be mighty, but if he is enthroned, if the mercy is seated in his heart, is enthroned with the mercy in his heart, his power looks like the God's power. How is mercy alone the scepter? So mercy comes from the heavens, and when it lies in the heart of the kings, its scepter sway above God, likes mercy that punishment. What happens when the mercy seasons justice? When the mercy seasons justice, that earthly power looks like the God's power, because justice is the symbol of mercy, and mercy brings happiness. So if when the mercy seasons justice, that earthly, because it's only the mercy from which the justice comes. If a king is merciful, he will do justice, and when the king does justice, conducts affairs of his subjects in accordance with the principles of justice, so his power looks like the God's power. Okay, I hope all of you understood this. Then we have some words in it. We'll finish it today. Language work. You have to find some similes and metaphors in the poem. We have many. I have found out many for you. Gentle rain is a metaphor. Scepter is a metaphor because it's a royal one, but here it symbolizes the authority, royal. Doth, earthly power. Then we have some poetical words in your poem. That is strained. That means forced. The quality of mercy is not strained. It means forced. Dropped means dropped or descends. Dis means this. Blessed means blesses are blessed. So I hope all of you understood this. Inshallah, we'll meet tomorrow in the another with another lesson. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.